here right now. I'm ready to play with you. You heard? So if you have people, just bring them. Do you have the multiplayer? Alright. What about your friend? What about your friend? You have multiplayer? Basically, only me and you. Yeah, we got this. I'm not explaining it to you. Because then it's not funny. That's why I'm telling you, if you buy the multiplayer, you're not gonna be worried about that. Did you see that I'm about to be Prestige 4? Do you see the Prestige? What Prestige are you? Crazy. You are crazy. Yeah, you almost passed Prestige. You almost entered the Prestige. Got it. Yumina! How the hell Yumina turn off this TV? Wow, she goes, oh, Mary's involved, yeah. Doktel eh. Follow me lang. No, we good. We got it, bro. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Wait, I'm checking something. All right, Punker, Punker. You hear me, sir? All right, where's Punker? I was landing on the other side, like. No.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Back on station. Good work. You have reinforcements inbound.
You're the one who died? Where are you? Come to me. Well, let me see, what color are you? Green! Oh, that's you. You're the green. Alright, we We got these, alright. Let's go up. We get the money, we get the money. No, teammate, don't die on us, please. I'm on top. You see the stairs where you go up? Yeah, you got that. Come on now. Alright, let me have your money, please.
Your squad mate has redeployed. Well done.
I need couple. You talking about the bottom? You on the bottom? Oh no, I see you. I see you. I see you. Yeah. I see what you're talking about. Watch out now. Watch out through there. Told you, kill him. He did. I'm sorry, but he did. Mm-hmm.
Back on station. Good work. Outside the safe zone.
And Liddy just landed here. Yeah, he's on the bottom. How you hype on the bottom, bro? You thought you were gonna run over. He die. He tryna hide. Other you die. You good, you good. Take your time. Sorry, you gotta go.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Hey! The whole squad is there. Damn. Yeah, it's me and you were there and die. Now we just go. Loadout is right there. Do you know that, right? Wait, he's right there. Oh my god. Mercy. Nice goal. Hả? Muna bang viewers. Pamit yung direct maging. Oh my god! Fuck. What? Let me see. 2. It's okay, just do your thing. You still have, as long as the researching's still active, we're alright. Whoa, right there, bro! Oh my god! He kill him, bro. How'd he do that? How'd he do that, bro? Chill. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. I'm coming in with you. Oh, you kill him or something? Bro, you kill. Hey, somebody's here. Where are you going? Another one, another one, another one. Oh, 3 kills! Whoa, bro. I'm going. No, it's you, Other. You got that shit. You didn't get it? No, I stole it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have do that. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come over here, bro. Let's see the trapping or something. They're on top, they're on top. Oh, I didn't see this stupid kill streak. Come and pick me up, I'm good. He's right here, he down, he down, he down. Hit me up, another one coming in, beef. Cover us, bro. Purple, you suck, bro. No, purple, you pumped it. Oh no, another one! Kill him, kill him! Oh no, you good, you good. Just take your time. Stay alive, stay alive. He's still active. You can go to the cat. Oh! You just do a team wipe? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yo, we're coming to protect you, bro. Stay alive back down there, bro. Oh, they're coming down. They're on top. Yeah. I don't know what you come down for. Yeah. So 3 walk. We got busted by a whole squad. Alright. We're coming back. Our team need to be alive. Oh my God.
Supply crates to restock. Advise you to load up now.
Oh, I see you pull up with that kill elimination. 6 elimination, bro. Oh, one of us left. Hey! Excuse me. Oh yeah, we're gonna win it or what? I feel like we're gonna win this shit.
You're losing ground.
5 team left. Ottery, stay alive. Prepare for war. Sup, YouTube? Bella beam, bella boom. Alright. Hey, let's go up. Let's go up in this top. Let's go up, 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 go up. Let's kill what we can kill. Because they're fighting right now. These are good opportunity right now. They're right here. You're right here, bro. You stupid! Oh, what the fuck? I missed? Are you serious? Yes! Yes! Yo, why didn't down?
4 remaining.
They're right there, bro. Right there. How the fuck you say I point blank somebody, bro? I didn't even shoot that time. Yeah, this game is kind of like lag a little bit. Hey, stay alive. Only 4 left, bro. They're up here. They're coming in. That's the only last one. All of them. All of them right there. Yeah, fuck! This motherfucker loves you, bro. I ran out of my squad. Woo! Almost. I thought you were. Terry. Terry, where are you, bro? Are you AFK right now? Let me see. Alright, we're gonna join somebody. I don't know why I didn't talk, bro. I'ma leave. And join a new squad. Let me see the comments. Let me see what you guys talking about. I had to go. I forgot I had soccer. Can you play tomorrow at 3? Oh, all right. Shit, he left. Cool, Terry. Just gonna go play soccer. Melamites.
Hey.
Melamites. What's up?
Cheers.
What's up? I suck with my life, man, and then
Wonder.
Real thing.
To the repot. Oh, fuck! What? That gun is good? No way. Oh, that gun is good. Fail 46. Hey, MW SMG nga, MW3 SMG nga man wala yun. Wala be, mape malala, precious ka nga
Mark him at MW2,
3.
3.
Katana. Telephone na.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
Bio. I'm ready for this shit. Fuck you looking at? Wala. Isipaya nilangan. Top. The whole squad with us.
Oh, mati lang.
En I lost the second or third. Hoe je aan nou komt tegen lom zingen? The same building. Maar daar niet zie je, dat guarantee yourself.
I got caught.
Coming in right now. Like a step, almost step. Yo, memory. Eh, paano ito kasi ay? It's different. Tagal siya. Kawin. Matagal ke, yan mailik. Iya plan jalan dah lagi ya.
Wait, teman juga yang telepon. Wait.
This fucker join now. Now you wanna join, motherfucker?
Survive until your squad can redeploy.
Give me that gun, motherfucker.
Nine Leon.
Ano na yan, Jing? Get the fuck down, bitch.
Hey.
The squad mates back on station.
Oh,
Good
Tommy invite me again. Hang on, ba't siya batin ka pa station na? Alright, let me check it out. Supposedly may din siya dito. May ka na invite here. Oh, somebody's on top for sure. Yep.
10 squads active in the field.
Lahat sila.
Copy. Mapayawot joke nga.
Aw.
Ay nga ba utto kaldan nga. One down.
Donash.
Si Ashton.
To that squad on your tack.
Si layat nila nga. Ay last lang si Almailig. Long, wala niyo kayo. The wrong timing. Fuck. Ooh. Oh shit, did he kill you? I thought you killed him, bro.
Stay alive to bring him back. You have reinforcements inbound. Target opportunity acquired. Weapons free.
Bounty lan Russia.
Ace. Tarn. Laru.
Wait, so last one.
I got him, don't worry, bro.
So,
Target down. Additional contract online.
You guys are getting a load out there. Another one landed.
Enemy UAV overhead.
More coming.
Good work. Additional
On top, buy
target.
station.
Enemy soldier
Load out that, load out that.
load out.
Got him. Another one on top, watch out.
Enemy
Ano ni yellow phone key yun pala. Fly lang.
Hey.
Chipaya. Taka PL officer o siya.
I might have a power in the
Mau UAV, mau UAV.
Dia bảo được là
Allah siya nga. Mulgum na naingin na.
precision airstrike standing by. Enemy precision
It's around
airstrike
it.
cover.
Ah, mola la time ganyi siya, masama ka to.
Contract failed. Stand down.
Some guys again or
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Enemy UAV overhead.
yeah, lost you what you thought, Allah.
Anh thấy kìa. Nhớ lòng thì lượng á. Just getting the guy.
Precision airstrike ready for tasking. Enemy airstrike in the area.
Tarn floor.
Special orders rescinded. Resume normal operations. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hello, motherfucker. Oh, yes, no good. Yeah. Allah.
Adam din.
Palagad.
Uy.
5 seconds, 5 seconds. 2, 1, pop, wow.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
ولا لا اشتغل اللي جيب.
You have reinforcements inbound. Head to the safe zone. Gas is moving. UAV in the area.
Ego, hombre, killa siltä alan. Takana Leo, takana Leo.
Secure.
Move back, move back. Me vättetti se pommi se.
Fire sales
Yes.
prices are back to normal. Down to you, soldier.
Nah, you good, you good. Don't even trip.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Minä tin syöm taksaisen mun loot.
Enemy UAV is online.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Enemy UAV
I'm
is
over here.
online. Hostile UAV. We've lost eyes on the objective. Contract failed.
Ôi, cho them then.
45 seconds. Out.
Resurgence is closed. No more second chances. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ini wajiran.
UAV is online.
Gotta get the fuck out of there, bro. Oh, fuck!
Jauh.
Ôi là.
Recon at this time.
Wih.
Got surrounded.
What the fuck?
Got surrounded, bro.
Ito lalos nga kasi sir.
Damn. You motherfuckers, bro. Here.
What do we?
Khuya. Hindi ka wakasi chila. Jacob. No, where the fuck are you, Jacob?
Wait.
Mele.
Ay.
Lan çıkıyor. Sen çakılacaksın. Bensi, kuling si Mel, man na, dapat na.
Alright.
Now some search and destroy.
Angie invited to leave soon.
That shook. Hey, yo, up area 99. You gotta mix it up, man. Jamen. Imagine was aan de game in Dallas, wenn da blackout loading hè.
Which, we have a quad. Area 99.
Yep. Wait. Wait. How much you
Live?
doing?
Okay.
Get
Little
there we
better. Alright.
You do that. Oh shit, somebody left. Let you join the left.
Chơi bị gật kìa.
He's good. Oh.
You got black screen? I got black screen, baby. I think I should better a black screen. Go. Yeah, black screen. Yeah.
Hey, Pascal.
Guys. Alright, we're good. Maar jij doing Peggy and Call of Duty like. Hutan ya silil. Boys Ruby in Sodre.
Cool.
Wake up!
Not cool.
I don't dance,
Do I
I
do
know you
it?
dance. I don't dance, no. I can do this,
Huh?
baby, you can do that.
Yeah. Give it. Give it to me. Thank you.
Well, champion dyan eh. Chammy, Chammy.
Hey.
Oh, what the fuck? No.
Give me one water. Water.
Deep lane naman. Cowboy ka na.
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill
Cowboy
to bring
time,
back
baby.
home.
Yeah?
Mark.
Yeah, it's not a cowboy in Israel. Cowboy suck. Hey, engine lang eh. White sand, white sand.
Point sand.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Bonnie Marsh. Yeah, Bonnie Marsh.
Supply box UAV heading your way.
Alright, let's get it. Eh, yan, may patak ng
Thank you.
ganyan. Yeah,
Give it to your
yeah.
mom.
Mapayawit nga, awigom. Ah, skinin mo kayo yan. Say like do.
You've got time for another bounty. Get it done.
Alright, money trap. No, we still have need more. Fuck that.
Get to them first to cash out.
No, Atari, don't do that. Please stop inviting. You messed up my stream.
Enemy SAM turret active.
Alright, let's go for it. Oh no, we're killing them. Anlam dergi Baudelaire, Master Man.
Good perk.
Contract is compromised. Stand down.
Sorry, napayawit niya.
Oh, shoot. Ass.
Eh!
Wala likong paskill.
Oh my god. Oh fuck. Wait.
Wait, where's our phone? Hey! Toji! Who just joined? Somebody just joined again.
Not Rupert.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What the fuck, man? This stupid ass liking shit. I'm trying to turn off my HDMR, man.
Un ragù.
Hey, Melma, kom TikTok. Kom TikTok. Ever create a account on TikTok.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Nee, die is daar al. Dingen los nou weer. Wat aan die? Afvoer kan hem echt ter ballon. Chắc là đời trùng đời nó bánh cha lần cũng quanh người ta đi bò đấy. Cờ, nè, problem bên này là ngờ.
Knock.
Resurgence.
Alright,
Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
go stronghold. Don't relax, pag it's on a wipe here. Spell hindi.
Wala.
Medyo.
That's snipe.
So hela yung mga no.
You seriously got sniped?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Yeah, they put that on the shotgun like a pistol. Come on, Call of Duty. How the fuck I lost that fight, man?
One more.
They've got a fence turret online. Time for redeployment.
Me heal him, guy.
That's
Wala
snipe.
na.
That's the
Wala
dire-
na to. So then
That's the
sniper.
thing you walk to snipe you, you go, what the fuck, bro? Like, that's stupid. What the goal line can you snipe you on the main?
Good work.
Wish.
Enemy dropping
That was
into
so
the
late.
AO.
On me.
Reinforcements inbound. We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Squad's in the safe zone.
They're on top of the motherfucking, he's still inside there, Outlaw. On top. Yeah, there you go, Outlaw. Get him, Outlaw. Fuck him up, Outlaw.
Hey.
This shit. Promise you, I will pull up and get this shit.
You want to throw it, bro?
Still alive. Fucking got the loading, man.
Getting third.
Australian snipers here.
Your squad mates back on station. Resurging. Go get your revenge.
Car 98 nga napauwi na. Right, maglunod eh.
You have reinforcements inbound. Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Bounce. Special orders coming in. Locate and eliminate the target. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot.
No, I had. Oh, bro. What a shot! The fuck is this doing? Oh my.
Contract failed. Objective lost. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I'm a bitch ass nigga.
Contract
Yeah.
fulfilled. Great job.
What the fuck?
It's not gonna be that easy.
Contract failed. Stand down. Gas is inbound. Contract was compromised. Stand down.
Dacht van dat ik een chopper aan kast te gooien.
Time for engine. You're redeploying. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, Australian.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Like a Australian sniper, sim.
Oh yeah.
One này cái
UAV overhead.
Luffy,
Hostile UAV in the area.
Luffy.
Enemy sentry in the AO.
Yeah, the thing that way you know.
Contract failed.
That
Objective lost.
yeah.
Mission is over. Returning to normal operation. Contract was compromised.
Yeah.
Stand down.
5 seconds. Dat is een hallo dog.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free.
Shing him
Five basic prices are adjusted. Enemy UAV is online.
Oh
Squad
my.
mate is redeployed. Well done.
Damn, at control, y'all. Let's come back to control for the hell, bro.
Reinforcements inbound. Hostile airstrike incoming.
Or y'all not knew that or what? Like at least say that.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Only 25 remain. Hostile UAV in the area.
But him should have been dead. Got one in there, gosh, man.
So we fucking wipe them. Like I feel like not gonna think it. Like, can we please wipe these niggas?
Enemy soldier
Come back up.
25 in. Hits hard that time. Dust yourself off, regroup, and get back out there. All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back fast.
Nga din mo.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Insane na ngayon.
Sino ng ace? Damn it, ngabay Leo. Wait pa nga mo. Wait pa nga mo. Wala. Dalawang.
Oh yeah.
Kaya ba lagi niya? Yeah, load out. That's money. Okay, I'm shooting.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Additional target added while time remains. Hostiles have established a SAM
Nine
turret.
mo.
Ora.
Your bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Oh.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Loadout drop headed your way.
Uy, come
Loadout siya, mo na.
Online.
It's okay. Should probably get like up for
You're in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Nó bao giờ... Damn.
What's wrong? You're in the helicopter.
Squad is redeployed. Well done.
Nhạc bực.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yeah.
Just
Nó lại kì em nhạc gặp được xuống quanh rồi.
marks remaining operational. Down.
Nó ăn
Nigga.
cư rồi.
We've
Em nghĩ
located the rest of them.
là uống cho bò ạt rồi.
Yeah.
Nhỏ bay rồi.
You've
Nè,
got a loadout
purple.
drop inbound. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Mấy barrage me.
Going man. Yeah, break. Ain't no way, bro. Like, go, what the hell?
You're back on the station. Go get after it. Enemy UAV overhead.
Joe, one is right there.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
We have one done. Keep. Yeah. Come, about to go. Get lost to you, man. Lay down, Image của tên Mr. Anh có tiêu to là gì no to taşın já não é já, só de modo e não é
Isso.
Mod daí gosto que a gente olha. Tive by jogging.
Eller post loadout class.
Your squad mates back on station.
Relax,
Good work.
Tapos samait nga ta jagat tu nag-slide right?
Buy station prices have been reduced.
Giờ trận 50 không bảo là cross it mà.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Yes, go.
You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad mates destroyed. Well done. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Taking fire. Enemy UAV is online. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Lucy by road wall. By the last wall.
Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
Kills if you want.
Panicking.
Send in Semtex. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. Station. A jailbreak is active.
My sniper. Sì, paghi forse non è. Bello.
Heads up, a jailbreak is active.
Al luogo.
Sky Blossom. Leave no one behind. UAV overhead.
Ganito kayo si Dalo. Yan. Kaya mo pag Karina, on Karina.
Reed! Iyan na rin ba yabi?
Pues, sensor.
Memse, o casting nga to dia bat. No.
Yeah, I skin on you then on there.
5 squads still operational in the AO. Gas is moving. Only 10 left.
Josh money lang.
Wala lang maluwangan. Ito ko lang sino po eh. Oh!
Heads up. Enemy squad rescue is about to target.
Isso, Dani.
Closing in. squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Islam bin.
Fight station, fight station. Hey, bro, you ain't got nobody.
I ain't buying
I'm
two.
sorry, bro. Oh! Oh!
Yes, man, sure. Machinalo lang.
One on one.
Nice! Nice! Finish him! Finish him, bro!
Let's go.
Hey, everyone please. Hey, do you want the clip or what? Hey.
Double skill.
Poquito nomás.
Nice.
Enemy dropping into the AR. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy.
There's an implement mix the car.
Mark Mac. Mark Mac.
Factory.
Last minute bit.
This what man? What the shit, my god. Ay 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 ay.
Resurgence. Go get your revenge. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the side. There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all.
Andar todos juntos. Tengo gente. Hijo de perra.
Puta perra. He's on top, that motherfucker.
Vedi mani che poi.
Copy that, that's good. Wish granted.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemy soldier incoming.
Hay gente en el barco, verga.
Located the rest.
This the funky. Oh, bro.
Almost no.
That was close. You have reinforcements inbound.
What's up, YouTube? Wait, I don't want to die.
Hostile shooter. Back on station. Good work.
Did you pistol that guy? You suck. Other one guy hiding down there still die. He's on the boat. This guy killed me. I need my revenge.
Vamos a empezar a pelear.
I'm down.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get
Era ahí en el barco, ya no caigan ahí. Hay dos escuadras.
recon drones caught your position. You're compromised.
Jeez.
Nice sniper.
Риска, да пуньки покажи вон пуньки я думаю.
Peace.
Team Ludas doon.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Enemy dropping into the AR.
No mames, como verga.
Your squad mate redeployed. Well done.
Top क्या Peludo doon siya. National. Ace. Uy! Wala tayo. Huli ako. Wait, darn.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
I'm down. Shit.
From here, so, yan na pa yan. Ay lang ay move. Naka-move.
Your squad mates back. Last remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Taking fire. That was close.
Uy.
Eyes on enemy.
Yeah.
Hindi kayo room na.
Kemana tu aja balik ke tu.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Hostile UAV in the area.
Yes! Thank you mga kabinch. Yes, loadout. Shit na, yun makayo na pagyak sa gungo. Yun makayo na, late.
Ano yun?
Everybody. Repair.
Dia balik bukan.
Mari berbaik pun.
Kau nak mi je?
Cepat sudah.
Quit. Pas kau le quit ke?
Quit. Alang.
It's down.
Oh yeah.
Mi je. Tagalog.
Mame.
Fire sale's over. Just in crisis.
Jadi dia tahu di nan. Oh bang, lu tahu tak bang?
Yeah, walan ke palang. Fuck.
No more second chances.
What the heck, you rich shot.
Weaver requesting UAV tasking.
Una mo senting como de la cielo daudate. Pada ko na ng pulwa. Mama, wang sipe. Searching siya namin.
Yeah.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Ish, iron boy ko na. Wala siya UAV.
Gas is closing in.
May wang steam. Madin siya man. Keep on the floor lang. Ayun ba man yun, relax yun ba man. Shot mo. Shot mo.
Still operational in the AO.
Palanga. Yam na mita.
Turtero.
Coba metan jangan lo tahu tanya.
Still not all.
We're ass. Well, you died, motherfucker.
To the safe zone.
Caixa de Cusco, né?
Vai pra torre.
Rồi cá nó quên rồi, đường bơ cám ra.
Давай сюда.
An enemy squad is hunting you. Stay
Están aquí abajo la basura. Hey, perk marching up. Fuck.
No, yeah.
Along. I don't know along bomb.
Contract failed. Stand down. Top 5. Bring home the win. Insurgents have been deactivated.
Yeah.
Come on.
Damn, that motherfucker's still up there. Oh my golly, bro. Motherfucker. It's okay, I'm hungry, okay? Oh, it smells good. Rice fried.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Come on.
Okay.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
Alright. Industry! Oh, bye, sorry. I'm Denmark, sorry. Cancel. Kalastingan kayo ngayon yan.
Contract failed. Objective lost.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks.
I really love that.
Sorry,
I really love that. I really love that. Hey, what's your thought, Ngolo? Oh, I just told you, partner. Move back, sir.
Enemy UAV is online.
Hey, lalangan. He's stupid as fuck. He thought he's Rambo, bro. It's not like a Rambo exposed.
Masih atu lah sakit.
Pati lang eh. Lumalap kita ka luman. Lumalap.
Damn.
Iba wala. Ba. Another team. New squad. Hey. New squad.
Oh
Taran.
shit, malu balikan. Oh my god.
Oh no, that's 2 seconds.
Oh, ano wala? Damn it, didn't nagkapa.
No, speed down.
Cause
Real thing coming through.
You got a rematch, bro. How long will it take?
Prep time's over. Enemy dropping into the AO. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Keep your eyes open for Pride contracts. You'll earn more bucks.
Yo, bro. Damn. Damn, what the fuck is this? This motherfucker, bro. Yeah, both of them down. Pick one. Now we go blue, now we go. Ligat ka na, Moskva batuin na.
Mission got running on the roof. Liar. Trời anh trên cổ quay qua cho bật tụ nghe được không? U chưa bật tụ, u chưa bật tụ nghe. Ada fucking lain yang terus.
Siapa lah? Ay.
Đó chỉ được from now. God,
The phone chilling with the
Wala lang lepas pin.
Is exist on the couch and let yourself heal. Sounds too good to be true? Nope. Sounds like Instacart. Download Instacart and enjoy $0 delivery fees on your first 3 orders. Excludes restaurant orders. Service fees and terms apply.
Squad mates back on station.
And you already know what time it is. Boy down one.
Yes, dude.
Oh. Damn it. Alright, squad another one.
Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Your squad mates redeploy. Well done. Enemy UAV overhead. Squad mates back on station.
Damn.
There, look it, come here.
Niet talo, look niet ke top se. En je maar doen die.
Wait, wait by again.
No doubt pas op aan.
Okay. Oh shit.
Nice, nice.
Squad's in the safe zone. Stand by for redeployment. Enemy UAV is online.
Hey,
Oh
gang,
my
gang, gang.
gosh.
Damn it.
Él.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Marking the rest of that squad as attack man. Get hunted. Hostile UAV in the area. You have reinforcements inbound. Hostiles have established the sand turret.
Mid-ball.
Egyptin. Yeah.
Get down, Yumina, get down. Down.
I got my kill. Hit the ball, I'm good. They just be trying to sit over there. Yeah, I'm good.
Load day and I'm gonna make offers.
Kami na
Drop siya ba lang yan?
Wala. Hawa.
Lahat sila may kukuhan.
Watch your six. Enemy UAV is online.
Wala na.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Lagi. Long green dyan. Paskill lang lamaranin lang.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Enemy's got a sentry online.
Kaso ba nag-stairs anyone next to na Dilong Green yan?
Fire failed. Fight to the back of the line. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for teams.
Alam nga, tahan.
Sorry, yan is nagturo.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Ngayon muna na ito. Ngayon naman ito.
Imagine. Why smoke? Tahan, maluwa pa lang.
Gas pa lang. Kanyang
Oh, okay. Kapatid din yun.
Leave no one behind.
Siguro yun ako, muna lang yung lahat mo.
Sige din. Tama.
Thank you.
Exploit the contract. Reboot attack rate.
Na show, one more over.
Oh. Didn't you know?
People coming in. Go to roof.
Get up.
Yeah.
There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
It's cracked.
Ooh, shit.
Yeah, you ain't gonna buy shit, motherfucker.
Fucking Carter, you idiot. Gelecek cash mash.
Esa diyorum.
Ya masih buang iseng.
Ayo. Minsan mo siguro.
Alright. This motherfucker just watching you though, dog.
Hey, I need cash.
Ya bang. Nggak mau ya ya.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Woo, thank you, man. 14-3-3.
Rush down.
They're on top of this building.
Gas mask.
Yemin ediyorum. Yavaşlan lan.
Take a barrel.
Bakalım sen neyin bakalım.
Fire station right there.
Almost. Sound like a crackhead, bro.
Nah, nah. Umaca sniper mah, representando. Everything. 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 Hey, Paro.
What up, bro?
Alright, alright.
Yo, 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 what up, good?
Alright, Tintin Eerie.
Eerie.
Command Fair run it back.
Man, why am I keeping fighting you?
I play with 3 new friends that
Man, if you see me in fight, fuck them 3 new friends you have, man. Join me, I don't give a damn. Yes, shit, man. Saya kencang dapat mau berhenti suci kasih.
Oh shit. Damn, start already? I got hungry, huh? You'll kill me, bro. Alright.
Hey.
Oh, bro.
Hey.
Uta. What? Freaking run it back. Sorry, headshot.
Man, my bullet should have went
through
that
my god. Picky Smalley Mall. What? Why it's delay, bro? Like, this stupid.
Hey!
What the fuck? Hell no. It was laying like I don't know what to do.
Open type lang na.
Damn.
Delay lag or what, bro?
Sit down on the deck. Nice.
Sit down on the dirt.
I'ma kill you, though. You thought I lied? Ah, that's running back. That's not him.
Hey, this me right here, bro. You see me?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, the other dude got. Oh, you died by him. Adios. Ain't no way I cannot shoot this nigga, bro. What
up,
the
Camden,
fuck?
boy? Get off the car.
Nigga, I was sliding, dude. What you trying to do, Biggie Small? Why you hiding behind the car, then? All 3 nigga die. Die again, nigga. What?
Oh.
Hey, that's a cap, bro. You shooting me on the stairs?
Where are you going?
Where are you going then, nigga?
Hey, oh, you got me off guard, man. You see me fighting, man.
Talking about fighting, nigga. You ain't fighting. Oh no, nigga, stop playing with me. Oh, run it back. Fuck me up real bad.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's go, Biggie Small, nigga. Like, nigga killed me far back, bro. Chill the hell out, Biggie Small. Oh, that's running back. Sorry. Hey, my God, nigga, don't do that to me.
Yeah, that's good. Give me your soldier. What?
Hey, this nigga is like ramboing this shit. Peace. What the fuck?
Careful, careful, man. Don't follow me. I told you.
No, you lucky, bro. I know what's going on.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, watch out, bro. I'm coming in hot, cool. I told you.
Coming in hot.
Don't be standing there, nigga.
Okay. I'm coming for your way right now. What you doing? Oh shit. I just ran into this.
What? How the fuck I thought on? Yo, no. What the fuck are you? Kill me again, bro. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Yes.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Under the tree.
Don't do that.
Under the tree. Don't do that, bro. What? You lucky I ain't shooting at you, bro. Trying to kill that nigga, trying to kill us, bro. Hey, why you killing, bro? What the fuck? Oh my God, bro. Hey. Under the tree. Under the tree. What the fuck?
Nah, let me sniper now. Don't slow.
Yeah. Nigga, stop hiding on those corner and hard scope, bro. I swear to God, that's a hard scope. Oh my God, run it back is starting to hard scope. What the fuck that mean, run it back? Under the tree.
Oh, that fucking chamber took long.
That's a double kill, bro. Chill the hell out.
Hey.
Chill the hell out, trying to hide back here. Chill the hell out, trying to kill me. Yeah! Hey, you missed him, so I crap him so you can shoot him, you know?
Stop lying, boy.
That is bad, bro.
Hey, yo, that shine bright like a diamond, bro.
You're right.
That's that bright like a diamond.
I mean, run it back to that, so... Why you miss all that,
so
bro?
that's running back. That's me, boy. That's me, bro.
Watch me put a knife, a hex on your ass. You cannot even shoot me, bro.
You cannot. You cannot.
Are you sure?
You cannot do such things.
Oh, look at him. He's here. What? You lucky bastard.
Hit a double kill.
Under the tree. Look, Running Peg is right there. Oh, so never mind. I kill him.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Where you going, bro? Where you going? Tell me. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Damn.
Oh, you ran out of bullets? Let me kill you then, so you don't worry about that. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me.
Yo. Yo.
Under the tree. Under the tree. Biggie Small. I finished Biggie Small. And I kill you. And I kill him. And I kill him. And I kill him. Under the tree. Ace. What the fuck, bro? Ain't no way. Get the fuck. Nigga, what? Pull up, nigga. Pull up, nigga. Who died, bro? Who died, bro?
I never stay still, boy.
Man, you died, nigga. I ain't tripping.
Hey, that's you. That's you. I see you, boy. That's
Get
you.
the fuck.
Look at me. Look
yeah,
at me
you trying to come behind me, don't you, huh? Why you do that, huh? That's not me. I'm not the one who used that flash. That's not me. I swear to God, he's Biggie Small because I finish him. He's trying to get a finish back. That's Biggie Smally Mall. Yes! Nigga, you a rabbit, bro. You jumping like a rabbit. Stop.
Something like a rabbit.
Get down. Get down.
Oh, that was lucky shot, man.
Get down.
Last kill, trick shot, eh? Last kill, trick shot.
Oh
Sit
shit.
down, boy.
Nigga, you gonna die right now. Biggie Smally Mall. Yee.
Last kill, trick shot, eh? I'm gonna hit you with this 360 no scope.
Alright, 360. Oh, that's not Run It Back. That's not Run It Back art scope. That's Biggie Small, bro. Get your 360 ass down, nigga. Talking about 360 and shit. Nigga. Yo, there's two motherfuckers shooting at me at the same
Last
time.
kill, trick shot with the no scope. Oh! Watch. I'm gonna get you with this trick shot, bro.
Yeah, right.
Just like the old days, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right, cool. Yeah, right. Look at Biggie Small. Look at dying. Biggie Smally Mall. You ain't gonna do that to me. You ain't gonna do that. Ooh. You ain't gonna do that.
Hey. Hey. Ooh.
This guy tried to hard scope me far, bro. Oh my God, Biggie Small.
That's quick scope, man.
No, I'm talking about Biggie Small. I ain't talking. Thank you. Oh my God, Biggie Small. Okay, let me go find this nigga, bro. I ain't gonna shoot this 260 nigga. Get your raggedy rack down, nigga.
Is het ook hier de easy phone?
No.
Oh, Daddy. I just want to use it.
You ain't gotta eat shit, nigga. Sit the fuck down.
Watch. I'm gonna hit you with that trick shot, for real.
Yeah, right. Wait, Biggie Small. Yes, you son of a. Biggie Small. Yes. Oh, what the fuck, nigga, sir?
Oh!
Oh my God, you miss.
Relaxa, vai. Paga um pouquinho.
What am I? Why I gonna shoot? Quick shoot. Oh, there it is. Wow.
No.
Listen, take note. Take note, listen.
That's a custom sniper. Chill out.
Yeah, take note, listen. That's how you snipe it. Those moves right there.
Nice.
No, don't.
Search. 2v2.
Search sniper.
Yep. So I can smack the shit out of you, cool.
Man, I'ma smack the shit out you. What you mean? I just smacked the shit out you yesterday.
No, that's a lie. That's not me, bro. Bro, that's my friend, man.
Man, stop playing, man. So you talking on the mic and he playing for you? Damn.
Yeah. Hey, son, you wanna eat? Hey, son. Yes? You wanna eat this? Oh. Why you picky? It's not good. Not good.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Eee. motherfucker. What the fuck?
Eyes on enemy.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh! What? Near chamber mo?
Alright, Picky.
Nice. Picky. Well,
Nice.
Tani, 8 years era, chamber mo. Ako yun lang.
Search and destroy. Station windows open. Go! There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
Yeah, I don't know what.
All hostiles eliminated. Messy work, no use, but we'll
Yes, done. Let's go,
search and destroy. All targets declared hostile. Happy hunting, children. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
How many of them? 3? Who the fuck is Grease? Come on now. Bullshitting.
Watch this.
Just finish him, bro. What happened to you?
Hey,
The
you gotta let him
fuck?
play a little bit, man.
Yeah, go give me
Come
water.
on, man.
Listen, go give me water. Even now, you need to get down.
Oh, what happened to my shot? Why am I missing them?
There you go.
Why am I missing them?
Biggest small hacking, bro.
All of my shots went through him, man. What the hell?
Well, Venture Pad. Pass Mac 1.
No, you lying. Deluxe, you just fucking around the whole time. You try to hip fire him.
Eliminate the objective.
Who's Grease? Mr. Frank, come to my side. Come to my side. Money's on my side.
All right, I got some clutch. Clutch it down.
Wait,
what are you doing?
What the fuck?
Bro, what is that move? What kind of move you doing, bro?
He slide outside. I thought he's still gonna stay inside.
Bro, you cannot do that shit to me, bro.
Yeah, right. I just killed you, bro. Last match.
Get it.
Search and destroy. Actify the AO, kill team.
There's another way.
Terminate with extreme prejudice.
There's another way.
You're a kill team of one.
Hey!
Down and
This is
close
the house,
it
bro.
out.
Motherfucking building. Right there, bro. You see him?
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
You gotta do that, nigga. You better stop playing with me around this bag. I know all about that shit. Come. Oh, wait. I'll make you a chair. Okay, there you go.
Kill. We're not here to negotiate.
Hey, why you kill him, bro? That's my guy. I tried to hack him. Oh, I see him. He's in the car.
Yeah, hold on. I'm mixing my juice. Kill him. Tell me you gonna miss, bro.
Yeah, he tried to go around.
Not much time left.
He's on
Put this
top
to bed.
now.
One traitor left.
Yes, I tried to finish him, nigga. Oh my god. Yo, bro, that's oh no, that's a glitch. Bro.
No, that was me.
That's too nice to be true. That's a hip fire.
Oh,
No, coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Yeah. Damn, we're gonna win, bro. When me and you together, bro, it's different, alright?
Yeah, you're cleared hot. Work your frag list.
Why about you stand there? You see? He's on top now. Oh, you almost got killed.
objective remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Let me have this kill, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
MTC clearly targeted. Get serious, Crimson. You're the last one standing. Finish the job.
Michael fell, motherfucker. Look at it, I died. Motherfucker. I try to shoot your butt, but I want to shoot your back.
Search and destroy. We have our orders. See it through.
Piggy Small dead. One is on the left side in our spawn.
Yep, I know.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
Oh my God!
Good.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, that's you smoke wrong, no?
Huh? Wala search nan.
Cola Surge. Look at me, bro.
Look, you say, look at you, man, I carried you. What do you mean? Guys, sumiyak siya yung kawan niya, right?
Chris.
Wait, Chris mo? Connor Chris mo? Ay, dia.
Mana bang kalau sok nasa din ko. Alo ko kaya.
Guys, có không nào? Ano ko? Nagkan na ako sa alo kaya. Itarong nila na. Goodness.
You know what Langley expects. Get it done. Enemy device is set.
What? We hard scoped me the fuck out of here. Like, that's a 3 seconds. Gotta be 3 seconds.
Now you fire the missile.
Oh shit, he talking shit, Cole. That is crazy.
Destroy the objective.
Yeah, right, bro. Too many. Oh! Oh, no time, bro. I thought he. Woo! Give me no time. I mean, they got a hungry, but still lost, you know. They gotta get back. Ooh. Damn. You know what? Fuck that.
Force has been approved. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
And that's what you gonna get, buddy butt. Ah!
The enemy's on their back foot. Don't let up.
Oh my God. You don't know where to go. Adios, senor. That's why I have assassin. Cause I love that shit.
You're the last one standing. Finish the job. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Right above you, right above you. It's right above you. Up there. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, what? Ain't no way. Huh.
Nalaban siya sa tulong squat na may pinta, no?
Yo. Let me try that gun. Let me try that gun, bro. I'm using that gun now, though. That's a Hellar, right? Yeah, that's a Hellar he's using.
Work quick and clean. No witnesses.
What? What the? No, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga. Oh, that's a perfect shot. Let's smack around with the cheese, nigga. Oh shit, you let him crush you, bro? Ain't no damn nice, nigga. Alright, stay together, stay together. Go right, go right. Remember, go right, stay together.
Destroy the objective. Single shield. You're a kill team of one. Put your head down and close this out. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
Yeah, I see you trying to kill me over there, nigga. Nigga, what's up? Shit, you got me tripping. You gotta use the same gun you're using in order to kill me.
Right at the same.
Damn. Alright, watch this, watch this.
Use of deadly force has been approved. One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Hey, I'm back season, motherfucker. Shit. Woo. Corazón. You got him frustrated right now.
Eliminate the objective.
Hey.
Trời, dead slay nó công quỳ ghê đâu á. Fucking dead slay.
Nice. Man, say shit. You say nice, bro. You mean yes. You mean yes, I love you.
Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences. You're the last one standing. Finish the job.
Hell no, this nigga is magnetic. What happened to you, bro? Why you AFK, man? Damn. What the fuck happened to you, D-Flow? You just suck and then you hide, nigga. Come on, bro. Oh. Why you hide, Deluxe? What the fuck? Motherfucker act like he AFK. Yeah! Yeah, you stupid, Deluxe. I wanna stack that bitch up.
Don't you will hardcore? Search and destroy.
Yeah, let's go fight motherfuckers. Let's go beat some randoms. Make their day goes bad. Yeah. Hey, like Deluxe don't talk no more, bro. Whatever.
Oh shit. Other oh, sorry.
Nice. I like that. So look, what we gonna do? Let me get your number and we gonna network and then we gonna do our little thing. Alright. Just put it in the phone. Yeah. It's a little chilly here. You got on some booty shorts, man. I'll be alright. Oh man, that's crazy. Y'all crazy.
Who's got pretty shorts?
You like them crazy?
Yeah. Why, you crazy? I like you. I like you. You look.
Stop! Hey! What? You're not when it's touch. When the soul's on, he's on.
He's stupid,
hey,
bro.
Jersey.
I can't hold you much longer. It's getting strong.
most difficult countries you can play.
I must go. The confidence I have with you in bed, other men need. This man needs to save them. I'm sorry, but I can't. They need me.
When will you be back?
Maybe never. I don't know. I must go. I must go. The confidence I have with you in bed.
Oof, dude.
Bomb carrier down. Enemy target.
Yes!
It's in, yeah. Too dark, bro. Yeah, 0-1, 0-1. No, where's my squad? My squad is here. No, dude. What the fuck?
MCC is live. Assume all contacts are hostile. Enemy UAV inbound.
Hey, yo, where are you guys? Run it back. What the fuck happened? Why you leave? Why you leave, bro? You done playing?
Oh my god, Hunter? I don't know where you're trying to beef with, bro. Nah, there's no beef, we're all friends. Yo, they need to leave. Oh my god, Hunter? I don't know where you're trying to beef with, bro. Nah, there's no beef, we're all friends.
10.
Yo, they need to leave.
Yo, Jacob.
Hunter?
Hey, what's up, dude?
You just joined me?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
And you
leave.
left.
Alright, let's leave.
No. You're party leader.
I wanna play hardcore.
Okay, then play hardcore. You're party leader.
Where the hell have you been, sir?
Gibson, my back hurt.
Why? Because you're trying to be
I ain't working.
superhero and do all that shit? That's what the fuck I told
Whatever.
you. You ain't getting no bonus, none of that shit. So just chill the fuck out and just speak.
I am chilling. That's just me working. Literally.
No, you just fucking work your ass off like crazy.
Nah, bro. I had pussy this morning, bro. My back hurt. Yeah.
You asked.
You
asked who. You asked
Assassin
who was
doll.
on, and I told you me.
Right,
no.
Ninja
Hi.
doll.
Oh no, is it the
Hi.
same people?
What's wrong? I don't know.
Hi, people.
Hi.
Hi, people.
Not you.
You're new.
Can't-
Don't act like we played with you yet.
Okay.
Okay, no
Oh.
hi.
I was talking to Bush. Yo, what up, Bush?
Hey, what's up?
How much, man?
Nagoo.
Right now, you know, I air fried some mini corn dogs, bro, and I'm eating that now.
How does it taste? Somebody's jamming the fuck
And
out.
you're getting.
You got muted, Gibson.
Okay.
O rei da jaca é esse cara aqui, ó. Ele tem um plantio muito.
He said, yeah, you're muted.
Damn, did you shoot somebody like that?
Oh, bro, I'm tripping. I jumped. There's another guy over there, green. He's dead. He died.
Never mind.
Oh my god, bro. Whoo!
Time's not on our side. Finish him. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him. Bomb plan in progress.
He's right in front of you.
Bomb active.
Right there, it's right there.
Near bomb.
Hostiles down. Not bad, people.
The
No,
tunnel guy
nice.
oh, he has a tight butthole.
I was hoping. Huh, what the fuck?
2025 beginning soon.
I don't like faggots. Gibson, what are you doing? I'm about to mute you, Gibson.
No, bro.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm watching somebody get shot.
This was just dolphin dives, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, I got 2 on the grenade. 3 left. 3v3. Fuck.
Our spawn. Nice. I was worried for a second. Oh.
Come on, Jacob. What the hell up?
Yeah, shit happens. What's man supposed to do?
This cash is a lesson.
Oh, there ain't no fucking way, man.
Set up the bomb. Charge is set. One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Area clear.
Nigga, do you have ramen with lots of broth?
Oh yeah, we gonna make it.
Hell no. You wanna be my friend?
Let's be a little host. Let's be a little host. Let's be a
You
little
wanna be my
host.
friend?
Hardcore searching this store.
Damn.
Fire.
Playtime's over. Let's see what you're made of.
Should have asked her this. She wanna be my friend's ex.
Are you fucking serious?
Attack on. Give me a UAV. I got enemy getting wait for us. MTC's in the red. It's now or never.
I'm chasing this kid.
Now get out there and finish this.
Perfect.
ATV rally next month, boys.
Huh. I guess my mom got a new car.
Bought your mom a new car? Oh, yeah, dude.
RS Equinox?
What the hell are you talking about?
No, I didn't know. You in fact did not remind me to remind her to grab it.
He just shot fucking Ghost and killed me.
Honestly, I wish I could tell you.
Damn, I was one kill off from a fucking hero.
Yeah, fuck, sorry.
You dumb fucking retard. What the fuck are you doing, Gibson?
Shut the hell up, bro. It's a mistake.
Oh, bro. You're killing teammates, man. What the fuck? Dude, what a cat.
It is a mistake.
He's to your left, you fucking moron. You didn't see him jump through the window? Holy shit, you're blind, Gibson.
Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down.
Oh, you don't have ninja on. What a retard. No.
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Fucking level 19. Second pursuit, buddy.
And
Fuck you,
mastery
distracted me.
prestige unlocked, silly.
Yeah, that's actually a good call. That's a good call right there. I didn't think of that. I just been saving them. I don't know.
They don't stack, I don't think, dude.
Yeah, they do. I got two
Do
of
they?
them.
Oh. Ain't nobody talking to you.
Ain't
Leave us alone.
talking to you.
Oh fuck?
Dumb
You look like
broad.
she has to get on our conversations for. Just cause ain't nobody talking to her doesn't mean we are. The fuck?
Bitches always gotta give their 2 cents.
Am I wrong though? Like nobody was talking to her. Like, mind your business.
Mind your business, princess.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down. They may be assholes, but
sheesh.
get ready for a fight.
Hell
Hey,
yeah.
Owen.
This is a rough warm-up game, goddamn.
No, you're not leaving. Don't leave. What the fuck? Nah, you guys gonna leave. You guys are gonna leave. Oh,
Fuck, you guys stand there, that shit to my kid.
Oh, so he wears the pants in the relationship.
that's what everyone says. No, you're gonna leave. You're so crazy, dude. Holy shit.
What up,
I see why he's playing with Ladyboy. Holy fuck.
Ladyboy.
Narwhal. Chilling.
How long do you have left combat?
For me? I got 13 more days. I keep getting unbanned and then banned the same day. So
Yeah,
I
I
just
know,
changed the
yeah.
date of my PlayStation.
But either way, it doesn't matter. I was just like, you mean?
Bro, you're laying on the ground. I fucking hate hardcore S&D.
Yo, green, bro.
Oh. You guys have room now?
Yo, coming up behind you. That's
Wipe,
funny as shit.
wipe yourself down. What does that even mean? I don't like it.
Whose name is that?
I don't like it.
No, I'm not gonna take it.
Yeah, make that song stuck on your ear. No, fuck.
Go grab the rag. Go grab the
Yo,
rag.
quit talking to us, yo. I don't like y'all. Talk to your team, man. Talk them on, right? Right, guys?
Damn straight.
Hell yeah.
Homeboy is woman repellent over here.
What the fuck?
Check nuh-uh.
He's just shooting. Holy fuck, this guy's weird. His LMG
Oh,
just shooting, bro. Yeah, I ran into his bullets, yo.
Yeah.
Hostiles have planted the bomb.
GG. Oh shit, my controller.
Of course he's laying there.
No, they're not gonna
Fuck
take
out of
it.
here.
Take it away.
Oh.
Can you stop talking to us?
Said go light on the lettuce though. Light on the lettuce.
You are
for that
now.
sandwich,
Stop talking to
please.
us.
I like a
Oh
little
man,
lettuce.
they are so angry all the time. Gibson, don't kill our teammates, man. We're about to lose, man.
Gibson? Is his first name Mel?
No, his name is Gibson.
Oh, that's lame.
No, bro. I'm the bitch's first kill, man.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
Oh, on me.
Hey!
That sloppy shit won't cut it forever.
That's the guys laying on their pussy. No, we're not. I'm just playing.
Light
Shut
mayo,
up.
please. Light mayo. Light mayo on that too.
Shut up, woman.
Hardcore search and destroy.
You need to get a new man. That man suck at Call of Duty.
Dig in and defend the objective.
Said no! We ain't gonna take it!
Enemy standing. Find them. End them. West Point requesting UAV.
A UAV for one guy?
Oh, fat pussy.
I guess
though.
it is game point.
No, it's not. Oh, for us, yeah. Yo, guys, he's back here.
They're gearing up for a final push.
He's here, right here now.
Come in the tank.
Still there. He's here right now.
That's right,
Shit.
you shit.
I was spam pinging out on that side map. That's cool as fuck.
This team fucking sucks.
Honey
man.
ham. Honey ham.
Sugar
I'm a big
sucks.
honey ham fan.
Featherbot sucks.
Throw that out there. Just make sure it's
'Cause
not
you had a
whole wheat
woman
bread.
over
Acid sucks. Sugar sucks.
What happens,
If it's
man?
whole wheat bread, I'm gonna have to beat you.
Damn!
Yeah, you got
That's
him
gonna
right in
happen
the
either
butt
way,
cheek.
though,
Yeah.
Makes me dry, bitch.
Oh, shit.
Who are you even talking
up.
to there, buddy?
Who are you talking to in the fucking closet, retard? Get the fuck
You sound like a dweeb. You
Little
almost
sugar.
stuttered that. You bitch. You almost stuttered that.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Area's clear. Here what we came for. Next time, do better. destroyed. Protect the objectives.
Top window.
I couldn't handle the heat. One enemy dead. Fight. End him. Wipe yourself down and press for redeploy. Fight ain't over. Hardcore search and destroy. Guns up, destroy the objective.
Incoming grenade.
Scratch that.
They spawn, bro. That's lame.
Hardcore search and destroy. Dig in and defend the objective.
No. No. No, se turn off the light.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
You wanna kill him? Hopefully not that one.
Oh my god.
5 years ago.
Mommy, where's Sophie?
She went to church.
Church?
Này còn ba ngu nữa.
Hey, son. Come.
Find another way.
Anybody else think the guy's a little suspicious?
What did you just say?
Said anybody else think that guy on there seems a little suspicious? The guy on top.
Oh. They're inside. Yeah, well, you fucking bitch is on top of A.
He's in the red. It's now or never. Hostile UAV established overhead.
You bro.
For a final push. Hope you left someone to take. Enemy charges stay.
Yo. How the hell you can fight? We're friends? Let me see. No, we're friends.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Wait, I'm trying to fight. My friend.
Go lay down. Nowadays.
We'll play a game and then probably back out and grab my homeboy when he gets home. What up, Dirt?
What's going on?
I'm gonna back all the way out. However.
Damn it.
This is how you
Hey.
take it again. We're going to get some tough people.
You drop shot at me, bitch. Go back to multiplayer, you dork.
What's that?
This guy drop shot at me, so I called him a dork and told him to go back to multiplayer. Hey, Gibson.
What's up?
I hate you.
Hey. What are you doing?
Get it.
Hey, you weren't lying though. You weren't lying. Nezzy do have a boyfriend, but she told me just to be careful about messaging her. She said she's gonna message me first.
What up?
Bro, I
fucking told you, bro.
It's a challenge for me, bro.
Man, you gonna die, man. You better chill the hell out.
Who the fuck you landed on, bitch? Huh? Fuck out of here, stupid bitch.
Yo, come on, calm down. Calm down. That's gonna be your first and only kill. All that
I got two people that landed on me and shit on them both.
Okay, stay right there. You stay right there.
God damn it, man.
What?
Hey,
This
turned the wrong way, P. He right behind you, you're bumping in the wrong direction.
Oh my god, this motherfucker.
I'm up here.
I have a better shot than you. These people suck, bro. I got 5 bodies already. What y'all doing? Come on.
I'm jealous.
Skills up. Come on.
I'm jealous.
Very.
Cracked on the roof.
Climb back in. He's up top.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Hey, he's cracked on you, Gibson.
Yeah. Yo, why am I move so like? Oh my god, bro.
There's two. Looks like he got 5. Look up.
Hey, go bring him in now.
How? How? Why you keep saying how, bitch? You suck. That's how.
I like
Damn.
playing with you.
Nice answer.
Like, what the hell you keep asking questions for?
How you think that, motherfucker? I ain't that you.
I'm over here with the big fat goose egg still.
Oh my god, not the goose goose.
The goose goose.
Hey, landing over here now. He's acting like landing somewhere else is gonna be any different. I'm hunting these fools.
Oh, I landed back about you, Blue.
Nah, one more. I knocked out the guy. There's 2 on me. Damn, bro. That's so lame. Always 2, man. He just revived his teammate. I'm back.
I got one of them bastards. I think I got the other one. I know what Let's see if we can't back out. We're about to do it together. This dude is staying in the corner. What like this is?
Give me your money, load out. Give me your money, your money, your money.
Here. You don't even have enough, Goofy.
More. Give me your money, your money, your money.
I don't like this drop.
No, let me just buy my guns.
Hell nah. This hoe ass bitch. I gave you my money and your bitch ass fucking buy your guns. Fuck you.
Yo, bro. You gotta load out here.
Dang.
Damn, y'all motherfuckers 1 kill. Shit. Let me finish it. Yo, I knocked him, bro. He's gonna get res. He just got res. Yo, y'all gonna shoot these motherfuckers? Y'all went somewhere else, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. Y'all went the whole opposite way of the pin. Oh!
Go away, go what?
Whoa.
That shitter got pistol killed.
Fuck, man. I can't fucking put my other gun in. I start plating up. Damn it.
I'm down on the back of the bitch.
Give me my money, my money, my money.
Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Stop looting and actually fight.
What up, kid? Do your homework instead of playing the game. Gaming ain't for you. Get your education.
Here's more case. Oh, he got one. Why you camping in the corner, bro? That's not good. How you get killed, stupid? Don't let anybody out. Just now.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive down in.
Damn, I did all that damage to that dude and shoot this motherfucker 2 times. Right here on me.
Where at?
It's dude, bro. On me, bro. Yo, Gibson, Dirt, come on. Whole team over here. Somebody stick the rest. Watch out for this guy. Yeah, he's running away. Somebody stick.
Fuck, bro.
Anybody got any plates? I got 0 plates.
Yeah, where you at? What color are you?
I'm down on the bottom still.
Here. On top of the roof right there. On top of the roof, shooting down. He dead. He dead, bitch. On top of the roof. Oh. Be nice.
Got the game, stupid bitch.
Oh.
Gibson, what are you doing? Call out, bro.
Why they following me? Why they following me?
He's one shot.
Nice.
This motherfucker left the game.
Oh, no, I got put these plates on me, man. Yeah.
Yo, why you leave the game for?
Damn, mile, huh? Huh?
Cracked on the roof.
Cracked on top.
Right there.
They're both cracked. They're running away. Thought he was getting away.
3 squads left in the war zone.
Hold on, right here. Damn, boy. Sit down. Do that. Oh, what the? Somebody want to say hello.
Contract worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier.
He's one shot. Damn, bro, I got 15 kills. 15.
I'm jealous.
And y'all said, calm down, and you're only gonna get one. I do this shit. Yeah, go back to the gulag, stupid bitch. Yeah. He said, shut your stupid ass up. Here, I got you here.
I was saying y'all, I was saying y'all play for that.
My bad. I've been AFK, bro. I've been texting my girl. That's not my girl. She married, but that's my girl.
It is not your girl.
Mm-hmm. Fucking that bitch. Every day.
I got it. She's a 2-timer. Oh, okay. I get it. Damn. You want to kill?
Yo, come res me, come res me, come res me, come res me.
No, I got a flare.
No, come get me. What the fuck are you talking about? It's the last team.
Flare me, flare me, flare me.
Dark! Get your dumb ass over here. I know, didn't I kill you twice already? Like, why is you talking, you dumb bitch? You got like max 4 kills right now, don't you? You got max kills and I got 16 bodies in this whole game. You fucking suck. About to. Yeah, I'm hurt my gun.
Somebody's whining.
Stupid nigga.
Sound good. Sound good. Sound good. It really do sound good. That's one down. Stupid.
Sound like somebody wanna suck on some nipples.
Look at you.
Got him. For slipping. Bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got his ass talking crazy.
I know that. Who be too?
Yeah, him.
Crack. Bottom floor.
2. Well, y'all got them. Oh, good shit. Bring around the rosy with him. Oh,
yo, y'all fucking suck. Get out my game. Yo, we're gonna get you. It was a 3v4. Y'all fucking sold. 18 bodies on your dumb ass head, stupid bitch.
We got the police officer right there dancing. Okay.
Fucking pussy. Y'all fucking suck. Hey, unknown, you stink, bitch. Go take a shower. You been on the game too long. You still suck at it, stupid bitch. Go do a fucking temp agency. Get a job, stupid. Gaming ain't for you.
How many kills do you have, bro?
I had 18.
Hey.
No, it said I had 21. I got 21 eliminations. I almost had 10,000 damage.
I got the play with that, man. And who's the party leader? Me? You? Oh, it's me.
It's you.
There. 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 Cruella. What you guys want? The same map?
It don't matter. Why did dude leave, bro?
You don't like you.
I don't give a damn.
I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing, bro. I don't know. Maybe he lagged out because nowadays, like, it happened a lot of times.
Oh yeah, I lag out a lot too. So yeah, it's reasonable.
Wait, I'm fighting my friend. Never mind. He's on a squad. I wanna go 30 kills, but I don't wanna go toxic, okay? That's why I stay at 9 kills. Jacob, I wanna smoke. Oh shit, I got the back out. No. Did he come with us? Alright, let's start the game. I think that's him, right? That's the same guy? Dirt. Free dirt. Oh fuck, now we start. Yo.
What up?
Alright, there he goes.
I said lagged out on me, man.
You see? We won that shit.
Stop lying, man.
I swear to God, we won that shit.
Come on, man. Don't be telling me that bullshit after I lagged out. That's some bullshit. Bullshit, I tell you.
I think those guys spawning in the game. I have to leave and come back. Wait, see?
I know who I ain't ever giving my money to again, though.
Let me invite you guys. I leave and recruit.
Out.
Here I am.
I think it's because I have to.
Yo, Gibson.
Mm.
I asked Mal why he left. He said because Gibson was making him mad. Because you kept taking his loot.
No, he said he freaking lagged, bro. You lying ass, bro.
Nah,
You
that's
just
not what he
told me.
said, bro. Well, he told me.
No.
Yeah.
I know you lie. I just laugh when you join.
Bro, where did what's his face go, man? What the fuck, man? I feel like I got 10 hours to play this game, man. Start the game, man. Start the game.
Where is he? Who's the host?
I'm
not the host.
Well, everybody keeps leaving at separate times.
Hey, he thought we're lying. I lied, bro. Take a.
I
You
believe
thought
you.
I
I'm
lied,
just
bro.
talking shit, man.
You won't
It's
that
called
shit.
jealousy.
Why you leave last game?
He left us, didn't he, Dirk? Dirk, he missed out on the win, didn't he, man?
That's not Dirk, the other guy.
Dirk is talking, stupid.
No, I'm talking about Dirk is the guy that playing with us and won that match.
I know. I'm saying.
You said my house
Down
missed out on the
mouth.
win.
No,
I
bro,
said Dirk, he missed out.
No, put
Yeah,
that
yeah.
shit on court.
Yo, Gibson, you were just dumb. Just shut up. Hold on, I gotta get my clothes ready for work.
Chill the fuck out. It's still a lot of time.
It's what, third shift?
Hell yeah, I work with this fool Gibson right here, man. This boy
Yeah,
lazy
you
as
be the party
hell.
leader, somebody else.
Yeah, I work at.
I work in the porn industry. He's the camera guy. He's the filmer.
Oh,
You gotta get your clothes ready. I thought you
Yo,
didn't
you
wear
gotta
many
beat
clothes
me
in the
up.
porn
I got
industry.
kicked
What the
out.
fuck you got going on?
Yeah, but I gotta
Yo,
wear my
I got
damn
kicked
lingerie.
out, bro.
You like,
I got
work in
kicked
the porn
out. I
industry,
got
but
kicked
gotta get my
out.
clothes
I
ready
got kicked
tonight.
out.
Man, it all starts with clothes on, don't it? Stupid.
Nah, I don't have to.
You skip the introduction.
Who
Don't
gives
you?
a fuck? Just, you can wear anything at the beginning. The main goal is the end goal. Shit.
Dang.
Exactly. We all gonna be naked, man. Hey, Dirk, start the game, man.
I ain't the party leader.
Yeah, you are.
Oh,
You've been promoted. That's what that's what 18 kills get you. Promotion.
Well, he didn't get that.
yeah, I had
He
9.
said he had 18.
I had
Wow,
18.
it was, yeah.
Well, I got
Fuck you before we
50.
even left Newtown.
I got 50. Remember, bro? I got 50
Remember I
You
put
on
in
ain't
there.
your
had shit,
loadout?
bitch. You had 4.
You'll never get my money again. You won't see a penny. I won't buy shit that'll help the team. Nothing.
Motherfucker said I have 4. Motherfucker I have 9.
Ditto. If you go down, I'm gonna stand over you and spin around and shoot the ground. Like I killed you.
Bro, when people push me, bro, I usually like take them hostage, bro, and then be like, all right, you're coming with me. You see this? This is how you kill somebody.
Chill the fuck out, chicken.
That's what I do, man.
Yo, bro, where's my fucking joint I can play? Oh, you mean yes?
Almost shit it on him.
Enemy soldier incoming. All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
It's somewhat easy.
Oh. Alright, this is my last game, man.
This is my last game too.
No, it's not, bitch. You gonna be on for another hour. Good line.
Yeah, right.
Stay alive to keep the squad in.
You lied to me.
Adios.
Hey, look, I invited to get him to my birthday party. He said, yeah, I'll be there. This motherfucker never showed up.
I can tell you, he don't fuck with you. That's all that is.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
with your lying ass, bro.
Damn, bro, you wanna hold my hand too? Shit, man. You in my building and shit. There's like 10 buildings, man.
Ain't your building? I marked the spot.
Hey, man. I landed first.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, I did.
Right there.
That's my kill. Don't take it.
Oh my god, you stole that dude.
Yeah, I did. Oh, that one too.
Nah, you can't have that one. That one's mean.
I'm just saying.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
He's dead.
You get him?
Yeah. Oh, he's back on. Here, come tap me. Appreciate it.
Right there, right there, right there.
The fuck you shooting at, dirt?
You? Dude, came in so fast. Hello. Hey.
Oh, you fucking suck.
He laying down.
I almost shit it on him. Other building, other building, other building. I almost shit it on him. You see that?
I'm talking to Goose over there too. Out there.
Yeah, come on.
No, I'm in the back. Oh, 2-0, man. 2-0. I thought you were watching the back out here.
Damn it, I didn't get out of there fast. Fuck, I tried to slide out of there, but I was jumping.
My bad, I should have killed myself.
What up, son?
Hey, go ahead, give up. Go ahead, give up.
Where you at?
It's one just ran out the door, bro. He's coming back in there.
Squad mate back on station. Good work. Your squad mate has redeployed. Well done.
Yeah.
got two down.
Killed one squad.
Special orders coming in. Locate and eliminate the target.
Yes.
Oh, he shoots me teams down. Oh, wait, man. What's up?
Damn, I ran out of bullets.
Still like.
Oh, GG, bro.
Damn,
Alright,
man.
fuck it, too cheap.